Hi guys, today I've got another refurbished product purchased from thinq.com. So without any further delay, let's unbox and find out how it will be like. This is how it came packed in. Inside we have a custom box by thinq and some thinq branding all over the box. Let me cut through all the seals and get inside the box. So this is the device, but let's keep it aside for a moment and check the other content. We have an ejector pin attached here. Further inside we have a Oneplus desk charger. It seems a genuine Oneplus charger. And we also got the USB cable in Oneplus red accent, but the cable quality does not seems to be like an original one. Well, these are all we have got inside the box, and now let's get back into the device itself. So this is how it looks like. The body and the display seems fine. The USB port seems a bit used up. You can see the speaker grill here along with the audio port, and on the side the profile switcher and the volume case are all intact. The top is also okay, and on the right side the power button and SIM slot. The back also seems okay, no dent or scratch. The camera lens is also clean. Now let's try to turn the device on, and while it is booting I will mention some of its specifications. It weighs 162 grams. The front glass is Corning Gorilla Glass 5 with aluminum back and frame. Display is an optic AMOLED 6-inch Full HD 18:9 aspect ratio. Storage option with 64 plus 6GB RAM and 128GB plus 8GB RAM. Main camera is a dual 16 plus 20MP, which can record up to 1080p at 60fps, 4K at 30fps, and 720p up to 120fps. Front camera is a 16MP shooter, which can record up to 1080p. Battery capacity is 3300 mAh, which supports 20W fast charging. Color options are midnight black, lava red, and sandstone white. So it's fully booted, and you can see it came with Android 9 Pie version out of the box. The touch also seems to be fluid and good. Let me check the camera also. And the camera is performing well. And guys, this unit comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB storage. So with the price, overall quality, and with the OnePlus fast and fluid OnePlus Oxygen OS, you can surely consider this device if your budget is around 15k. It will outperform most of the mid-ranger device with its AMOLED display, performance of the Snapdragon 835, and premium metallic build. As all the smartphones in the mid-range section are powered by the mid-ranger chipset like the Snapdragon 600 or the 700 series processor. And this comes with a Snapdragon 835, which is a flagship chipset. So that's all in today's video guys. I hope you have liked it, and if you have any query regarding this product, feel free to ask in the comment section. And for more content like this, subscribe to the channel and stay safe. Thank you.